In this video, I'm going to show you how to send live location on WhatsApp, okay? Be sure to follow every step here so you don't make any mistake. And as usual, in this channel, we don't waste our viewers' time. We just dive right into the content you are looking for. Open WhatsApp app. Then, let's assume I want to send my location to this group, okay? What do I do? After opening the chat, just the way I've done here, click on the paper clip icon here. Then, tap on location, okay? Now allow WhatsApp to access your location, okay. You can see I've currently disabled GPS, but in order to send your location you will need to enable GPS settings, okay. Click on OK, then grant permission to your location setting, okay. Then click on the arrow back button. Now your location will be determined by the WhatsApp app. After doing that, just click on share live location, then click continue, then select duration where you want to send the live location. Maybe you want to send the live location for 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours, okay. Now just add a comment about your location. For instance, find me here, then click on the send button. Now you can see I have shared my live location within this group. This is how you share your live location with a group or another WhatsApp user. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, peace out.